you cool cats and kittens, just kidding, you know what that's from, Tiger King. I watched it and it was pretty funny, pretty weird, and I don't know, if you guys have not watched it, you should, because then it leaves you thinking, did she really kill her husband and feed him to the tigers? As you saw, I just gave the girls strawberries. They had cereal. That was their breakfast cereal. Then their after breakfast snack, which is strawberries. These girls have been on this eating kick, which is awesome, but you know, they go through those phases where they don't want to eat. Lately, it's just been like breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. I'm drinking my second cup of coffee. I just washed the dishes from yesterday. The twins came over for a couple of hours because it was Thursday, and we won't see them again until next Thursday, and then I believe that is his weekend. My ear all of a sudden started ringing. I also wanted to show you all those little goodies while they're in the room right now. They just finished their strawberries. I wanted to show you the goodies that he got. I don't know if we're gonna put them in a basket or if we're gonna just hide the eggs around the apartment. So I have to hide them in this little pantry thing, but he got them 2 of these eggs, the trolls, and then 2 frozen, because you know, they have to have everything the same or they'll fight. This one has jelly beans and tangy candy, and I believe this is the same thing. And then these, and of course, there's 4, 1 of each color for each of the girls. Cotton candy, popping candy, and yeah, that's cotton candy as well. I don't know how they're gonna feel about these. And then he also got them these here, which have nerds in them. He got 2 of these, and then 4 packs, 4 of these. So I think 2 of these were supposed to go to the twins yesterday, but I forgot. Anyway, they're lifesavers. I'll just save theirs, because he got 4 of these. I'll just save the other ones when they come over next Thursday. So yeah. This ground beef left over from the other day that I need to cook. I'm just sauteing a little bit of onion, and I'm gonna throw this meat in there. The girls really love ground beef. They like any red meat, so hubby might go to the store later to pick up some chicken and some more meat because we're pretty much out. And I'm just gonna brown this up with this and maybe give them some rice. I also wanted to share with you guys these taco shells from Target. If you have not tried these, I don't know if our HEB carries these, but I know Target does, and they are so light and crispy. Usually for taco night or when I make tacos, I usually just do my shells myself in just like some oil, but these are so good. Even the girls love these. Like these shells? They're yummy, huh? So yeah, Target, get these. They're bomb. Zoe, you want cheese on your meat?
No, Daddy, no, I want cheese.
You want a little bit?
Yeah, I want a little cheese.
Just a little bit?
Charge your iPad.
This is probably going to be the last clip of this vlog because it's already going to be 5 o'clock. Hubby just picked this up from the post office because it was not able to be delivered here, I guess because our office is closed. I did already sanitize the whole package, but he is actually out running errands. He's going to get Zia her stuff for tomorrow. I told you guys it is her birthday. This package comes from the girls' auntie, Evelyn. So she filled it up. So this is the box. It's a FabFitFun box, but she left all this stuff in it. Thanks, Abby. The girls are gonna make a mess of that. But I wanted to show you what she got them. So she got a size 5 and a size 4. How adorable, just in time for Easter. How pretty are these, you guys? So she got one for Zoe and one for Zia. Since, you know, we weren't able to have a birthday party, everybody's just getting them gifts, you know, later. So those are cute. And then she got them, you know, my girls love dresses, so this one is, oh yes it does, it's that like where you push it up, it's a different color. Oh my god, they are going to love these. Wait until they come out of their room because they're playing. So again, a size 4 and a size 5. These Champion, oh my god, these are so cute. Look at these shorts. Oh my god, how freaking adorable are these? Oh my god. So these are Zoe's. Comes with 2 shirts and the shorts. Oh my god, like I'm in love with them. And then what are these? These are Zia's. Oh, so cute. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Oh my god, Evelyn. These are so stinking cute. I love them. Wait until the girls come out here in a minute. Zoe, Zia, come here. Auntie Evie bought you these.
Thank you, Auntie
Evie.
Mom, where's Abby?
She mailed them to you guys. Y'all got it. Y'all got it in this package. It came in the package.
Mom, let's open that now.
If that's what came in the package, was your dresses and your shorts. Look, these are yours.
Mom,
These are Zia's. Do you love your dresses?
Yeah! I'm gonna show Daddy.
Daddy's gonna, huh?
I gotta tell Daddy. I love
Zoe,
it.
do you love your unicorn dress?
Yeah.
Let me
Thank
see.
you. I want the own unicorn dress. These are Sia's.
Yes, yeah, you have Zoe's. Okay.
There's 2 hearts and
Okay,
I
so
have 2 unicorns.
Hold on, baby. You guys got one each. Okay, guys, so you saw the reaction. I give my girls a dress, and they are so excited.
For Mama. Mama, do you love me?
Yep.
Say hi to my new friend.
Hi, new friends. Okay, guys, so I thought the last clip was going to be the last clip of the night, but I wanted to show you guys what hubby came home with. I was out of avocado oil, so he got some of that. Got me some Tums because I have been struggling this week with heartburn. I don't know why. Yogurt because last night Zia got a hold of one and she dug her fingers into it and it was ruined and it was brand new, so Zoe really enjoys yogurt. He also got these candles, which are Hearth and Hand. Put my glasses on. It's sea salt and lavender. Look how cute these colors are. Smells so good. He also got me some seeds for basil, tomato, oregano, hot pepper, cilantro, and spearmint. Candles for... He also got her candles, Band-Aids, and I'll show you the rest tomorrow.